What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, I've got the Ford on display, the final. As one of the wheels falls off. Perfect. You'll see in the video how I pulled this off. Basically, I should have trimmed that just a little bit shorter. It's a toothpick in there. It's got a little bit too much poke. Wheel sticking out. Come on. Let's get back on there. Cooperate. Anyways. Pretty cool kit. This was an older Tamiya. Some neat stuff that came in the box. Oh man, I've only tried to build one motorcycle, but I wouldn't mind doing another one. That's pretty bitchin'. Roberts. Wow, super cool. And then I've got that. I just picked that up. There was a re-release. And then I've got another one of these, and I built a couple. That's pretty cool. Kind of neat little extra to see in the old kit. But the build, it went together great. The only issues really are my own handiwork. Not safe for work. I really shit the bed on the trim on this one. I mean, seriously. Oops, whatever. Did what I could. And, hey, thanks for whoever it was that chimed in. One of the viewers said, try painting with a toothpick. And, yeah, I get it. I understand what you're trying to say. Basically saying you're using your toothpick as a palette. As a palette knife. You flatten that tip down, then you go, ee, or whatever. I don't know. That's what I understood we were describing. But whatever, cool kit. Not a lot of leftovers really. The only stuff was the right-hand, left-hand drive. So a couple wipers and some wheels and tires that will go in the stash somewhere. A couple decals that also go in the stash, but I'll probably never use. Who knows? Because but model hoarding. Why not? I actually, not gonna lie, I sort of wish that wheel wouldn't have fallen off for this portion of this video. There's, as always, a slideshow coming up of, it's brief. It's pretty brief of the putting it together. My exhaust doesn't connect. Do I care? Not really. Is what it is, and what it is a model. It's kind of cool. I dig it. I might, in the interest of making it a little bit cleaner, the fact that has come off, it wouldn't take much to just twist all of them off and trim that down just a little bit, because it does have just a little bit too much poke. But like I said, I got, did I say? Get to a point in a build, and usually with me it's the glue. When the glue comes out, I start having issues. It's just so frustrating with the stuff I'm using is, okay, I gotta stop fiddling with it. I'll fix it with some glue. But, like I said, it was a fairly clean build. See if I can't break some more parts off. Whatever. There's pictures of the inside. I haven't... Wow, that really fits tight, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm going to break off a wiper or something if I keep forcing it. Bam, bam, bam! Anyways, yeah, that's my OCD is going overboard. Neat. Cool kit. Really enjoyed it. What's coming up next? You're looking at it. Foreshadowing. One of those. I'm gonna a lot of what's been happening here with me is I'm running out of materials like paint and glue and everything, so I'm kind of just making what I can with what I have on hand. And I'm gonna make a Banshee. Yeah, I'm gonna make the new GTS Banshee. If you know, you know. As always, a little bit of a slideshow, pretty brief. Some gluing and some taping. That's about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.